I don't know, I end up getting kind of stressed out by it, I think, is the main problem. A mini trivia that would not require all that scenario preparation. Nah, see, I don't think I could do it without all the scenario preparation. I've set a standard now. Some of the keys affect because it's an X display model. Yikes! You could pull them off and clean under them. I've never played Gang Beasts. I don't even know much about it. It's kind of like Fall Guys, I think? Like that sort of similar style.
It's okay if you're not.
Nah. Do you like Gang Beasts? Also still streaming? Unchuck me, it's not even 7 hours in yet. It's like you don't even know me. Also, no, I'm not still streaming. This is an illusion. Yeah, exactly. Like Vic said, this is a hallucination. Please wake up. I can't say you must be new here to Unchuck me. She's literally been following me for like 18 months. Amazing job with the stickers, Darcy.
Thank you. That looks quite nice so far.
It's comes together pretty well. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. If you're an illusion, then everyone else's perception of you is also an illusion. Well, we discussed this earlier, Bex. I don't actually exist. I am a collective hallucination that you're all sharing in. Ah, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. I had to take so much of it apart. Ugh. Well, it's been said that you're best to start when you would normally be going to bed, because then when you finish, you could just go to bed.
Right. But then wouldn't you just be exhausted when you start?
Well, I guess I would have to like sleep throughout the day and stuff.
I don't know if you would be physically able to.
I never said this would be easy. I mean, that's why people want you to do it, because it's not easy.
Yeah.
Actually, it's 19 months? Yeah, so you should know better. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, don't forget to nap, exactly. And you're all the dreamer that is dreaming. The dreamer who dreams and then lives within the dream. That's exactly it, Bex. Who is the dreamer? Lynchy is. It's kind of a spoiler for Twin Peaks, but Lynchy the long Furby scarf is actually the dreamer that dreams.
You had me worried for a second.
And then lives inside the dreams. I could sit here and just spoil Twin Peaks. The thing is, most people wouldn't care.
Oh yeah, I get it.
Except Duro. Duro would care. He's watching it. Okay.
Look at that.
And with that, we're basically done. There you go. See, Duro says, I would kill you. And Duro doesn't mess around with his threats. You know, I'm not taking that lightly. He would actually fly to Australia and murder me. Like good and proper murder.
And I wouldn't blame him, honestly.
Pom says 24-hour explain Garmin Brosier stream. Actually, you know what? I do really want to do a stream where I just talk about how much I love Bionicle. What if I did that like 18 hours into a stream? When I'm exhausted and loopy and delirious.
Yeah.
I would just be ranting endlessly about Bionicle. Like a filibuster about Bionicle.
Perfect.
Sounds like a good stream to me. I forgot to show you a minifigure. I forgot to build it and then show it. So I'm going to show it to you and then we'll look at the build. And then that'll wrap it up.
Look at that.
Monkey Kid.
I
Ah.
love how they did the hoodie. Wow.
This is the third one of this style, I think, that I have. I know, they're all up there, you can check. So this is the second version that they've done, where he has the hoodie, and he has the monkey logo on his jacket instead of on his back. Can you pass me one of the ones with headphones too? Thanks. So for comparison, this is the previous